These super soft sugar cookies are topped with a lemonade flavored buttercream and raspberry preserves. As you can tell, I love fruit flavored desserts and I love lemonade. So if you do too, you will love these. They are tart and sweet and they scream summer. Let me show you how to make them. First, mix your dry ingredients, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk and set aside. In a large bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened butter with a ½ cup of white sugar. When it's light and fluffy, add 1 egg and mix just to incorporate. Then mix in a teaspoon of vanilla. Lemon zest would also be really good in these sugar cookies. Now sift in your dry ingredients. And mix until just combined. I used a spatula to avoid overmixing. Form into 8 to 10 balls and chill while you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Place the balls 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet and flatten slightly with your hands or a cup. Bake for about 8 or 9 minutes until just set on top. Do not overbake. Cool cookies completely on the baking sheet. Once cool, make the buttercream by combining 4 tablespoons of softened butter with 1.5 cups of sifted powdered sugar, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of a lemonade mix like country time. Add a tablespoon or 2 of milk or water and beat till creamy. Spread a generous layer of buttercream on each cookie. Then pipe on a swirl of raspberry jam or preserves on top. Serve and enjoy.